Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing pork chops tonight, although this cook's really not about the chops because there's cheap pork chops that I picked up for the family. I'm highlighting new product from my friends at Grillaholics. This is their new Twisted SPG. If you like the, if you've used the SPG plus butter, which is one of my go-tos around here, this is a new product. They got an SPG plus smoke. That's right, they've taken their standard SPG and they smoked it with hickory wood. I tell you what, it smells fantastic, and I tell you what, I have used it already off camera, but I'm gonna hold off on my comments on that cook until we do these pork chops. So let me show you what we're doing, guys. Alright guys, as you can see, this is just one of those standard packs of inexpensive pork chops. Generally pretty good. I do like this stuff. But over there in your meat department in the pork section, they just take one big chunk, chop it up into generally 6 pieces, and we're just going to season them up here, and that's all we're going to do. Show you another glimpse of that SPG plus smoke. Cannot wait to get this on here, and we're going to hit them up. Who doesn't like the SPG? Except this one is smoked. Gonna be delicious. Pours real smooth. I say that and it messed up on me. Get these flipped over. Good guy. Season the other side. We're gonna get this grill fired up and get these bad boys on there. Shouldn't take that long to cook them. You can treat them just like a steak. Hot and fast. Get her on, get her off. That time of the year where we gotta break out extra lighting. Hey guys, check out these little lights my daughter got for me for Father's Day, and I finally get to use them now that we're in this no longer in daylight savings time. I hope they're gonna bring you plenty of light for this cook, because I'm losing daylight fast. Guys, let's get these on here. I think we're going to be able to fit them all on. No problem. Beautimous. Guys, we'll check back in about 4 minutes and give these guys a flip. Alright guys, look at there. Get these guys flipped. Been about 4 minutes. Looking pretty good. We'll check back in about 4 more minutes, and if we got to flip again, we'll flip again, but we're going to be close, I do believe. Well, hello there, Mr. Flame Kiss. Give this a flip. Looking beautiful. That's what it's supposed to be doing right there. Love it. Alright, I'm gonna jump in there and see if I can't get some temps. If they're thin. Oh yeah, we're done, I believe. We are so ready. I should have pulled them a few minutes ago. Or a couple minutes ago anyway. Let me get these off of here, guys. Get my family fed. And we're gonna give this thing a taste. Alright guys, let's get this on here. Pardon my fine china there. So we can get this going, I'm gonna come in here and go ahead and I'm just gonna cut off a little bit. Get off the bone there. So we can taste this. Got plenty of juices in there. Look at that. Let's get a bite of that. Hey guys, let's get a bite of that. It's all about the seasoning tonight. It's that SPG plus smoke. Let's see how we do. I would definitely be using this stuff again. There's no question, I love it. Especially out here on the gas grill where you're not getting a lot of smoke on a fast cook. It gets a little smoky flavor to it, and that I am totally digging. Grillaholics, I'll have a link below, check them out. I don't even think this is out there yet for sale, but I'll have a link below so when it does go on the market, you'll be the first to get it. And plus, use my link and you get 20% off. There you go. Guys, thank you as always. I love doing these videos for you. And I just wanted to bring that to you. That's the second time I've used it, and the second time I've loved it. So, guys, as always, thank you so much. And we will see you on the next video, folks. God bless you. Bye-bye.